How's it going, guys? It's Brian from Cross Coast Gaming for another Java tutorial. And I'm going to pick this up immediately where we left off last time, right after we finished the draw quad text method. I don't think we're missing anything else here. So now we need to make a method for us to load textures from the actual PNG image files that we're going to be putting in our program. So first, let's do that. Let's go to our src folder here on the left, right click it, and make a new package. And we're going to call this res for resources. And we're going to put in these two textures I made for us. You can make your own if you want. Just make sure they're 64 by 64 and they are .png format. But these will be available in the description of the video right now if you want to pause and go download those. And just save them wherever. And then once you have them, we're going to get both of them and put them right inside of our res folder that we just made. So if you do that, you should see them appear in the list of files on the left side of the screen now. So once those are there, let's bring the Eclipse back up to full, and let's make our load texture method. So instead of a void, we're going to return a texture for this. Public static texture load texture. And we need to give it a path for where the file is located and a file type for what kind of picture it is. And we'll make a dummy texture real quick and set it to null, and we'll return that. And we're going to make a input stream, which is a way for you to take external files from outside of the program and bring them in as resources. So input stream in equals resource loader, and this is the stuff that I said might be kind of confusing as we're going through it, but with some more practice and in later episodes it should be more clear. So resource loader dot get resource as stream, and we're going to put in the path here. Right. And then after that, we're going to set our text equal to texture loader dot get texture, and that takes a format, as you can see here, and also an input stream. So our format is going to be the file type that we referenced up here in the arguments, and the input stream is going to be in, or whatever you named your input stream, and we'll need to surround it with a try catch. So surround the try catch, and we can delete this commented thing right here. And that should work. So I don't think I'm missing anything here. So let's go ahead and go to the boot class and get rid of these draw quads because we don't need those anymore. And above the while loop, let's make a quick test here. Texture t equals load texture. And the path will be res/dirt64.png, and the file type will be PNG. And we probably need to import texture into the boot class. Maybe you already did, but I need to import that. Okay, and inside of our while loop, let's draw quad text. So we named it, I think so. Give it t. We'll start at 0, 0. And make it 64 by 64. And let's try it. Hopefully it works. Wow. I mean, of course it worked. This is a lot of different stuff we had to do, but it looks like we covered it all. So that's our texture in the game. So we can also, let's make texture t2 up here equals load texture res/grass 64.png of type PNG, and we'll draw that one right next to it. So draw quad text t2 at 64, 0, and it's 64 by 64. What did I do wrong here? Oh, texture t2. Oh my goodness. You guys, what did I do? That's crazy. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we messed up here. Alright, you know what I think it is? It's the fact that, remember I said load identity will stop that kind of weird screen popping and texture tearing and stuff like that. And this should go at the very end, I believe. So let's copy that and delete it from that line and put it after we end the quad. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, okay, there we go. Easy fix, easy stuff. So now we got textures in the game. You know what? Since we're still here, before I end this is gonna bug me because I don't know about you guys, but I suggest you follow what I'm about to do here, but you don't necessarily have to. But for me, all of my textures are going to be .png format. So it seems kind of like a waste that we need to type this every single time that we want to load a texture. I don't know about you guys, but I hate extra typing. So I'm going to go in the artist class, and below our load texture, we're going to make a little add-on method here. And it's going to return a texture, and I'm going to name it quick load. And it just needs a string for the name. And we'll make texture text equals null and return text over here. And text is going to equal our load texture, which we already used. And the path is going to be res plus the name plus .png and of type png. So let's see if that works. Let's go to our boot class and go to this stuff, and let's say texture t equals quick load dirt 64 and texture t2 equals quick load grass 64. Alright, sweet. So now every time we want a new texture, we can just use that quick load and put in the name of the file, which is a lot quicker. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Next episode, we will incorporate the textures into our tile class that we made last time, and hopefully fill the rest of the screen with a map, and our game will be well on its way. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.